Association for his invaluable presence and support to the development of his alma mater and for sharing his expertise and rich experiences as commencement speaker with the theme Building the Nation's Future Leaders through the K-12 Basic Education Program during the 82nd commencement exercises of the Laboratory High School held at the Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Naga City. Given this 21st day of March 2013 at Vizcas, City of Naga. Signed, Richard H. Cordial, PhD, President.